Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my US dollar analysis. I'm JR. Thank you for joining me. Today is the 23rd day of July 2020. We're going to be looking at the US dollar today, monthly, weekly, and daily time frames. We can see a nasty formation here. What is this formation that I have here? Let me show you. This one's called the diamond formation. Diamond formation pattern. Here it is. Okay. Just not the prettiest, right? They're not as pretty as, let's say, Head and Shoulders, or maybe other formations. Triangles. They're really nice and clean. These diamond formations are not very clean, and and because of that, they're very hard to spot, right? Typically they kind of come out here. You kind of see sometimes a wick coming out and whatnot. So again, not the nicest, not the prettiest formation. Sometimes they are very pretty, right? Like this one's very pretty, right? This one would be kind of pretty as well. Not too pretty. Again, not very. Doesn't have the perfect structure, right? And nonetheless, these are what they are, right? These are diamond formations. I haven't seen any of this on social media. I don't know if I'm maybe one of the first ones to spot this, or maybe I'm just one of the guys that hasn't posted anything. I will though. I will be putting it out there for people to critique. And yeah, as of right now, this looks like a diamond formation. They're very, very, very bearish. I just took it off. I should have left it, right? So let's come back over here. And I wanted to show you this one over here. Where is it? I just had it up. So this one right here, right? So this is a nice clear one. Obviously, this is just a drawing, but it kind of, you get the idea. You have a move in the middle, and then you have the dip, right? These are two scenarios, the reversal and the breakout, right? So in this case, right, market goes up and then it comes back down. Usually targets the same area, same thing. So again, it was going to target where the breakout began. So in this case, I suggest that that the dollar will be at around 80, probably, let's say, within the next 8 to 10 months, right? I mean, it'll most likely be something like this, but I'm just trying to give it a little bit extra time. Let's say if it happens like this. So by, let's say, January, let's say by the end of next year, we should see the dollar back at 80, maybe even lower. And if we look at the US dollar also, we have been declining. So because of that, I expect this diamond formation to do a lot of damage. And with that said, the dollar's in a lot of trouble. This might not be a diamond formation. I think it is. I think if it is, I think we'll find some support at around 93, just under 93. I would say 92 and a half all the way to 93 and a quarter. Might find some resistance. Maybe zigzag a little bit here. Eventually, you're going to have the big move to the downside, similar to this big move to the upside. So the dollar's in a lot of trouble, guys. Get your money right. Get yourself some gold and silver. 10% of your gold and of your investment portfolio should be in precious metals for times like these. With that said, like I said before, the gold market is the economy's thermometer, right? And if gold is going up, that means the economy's sick. If gold is going down, that means the economy might be doing pretty good. With that said, gold is $15-20 away from its all-time high. That's signaling something, right? Silver just broke through 21, long-term resistance. Big moves coming up on silver. If you don't own 15% of your investment portfolio in precious metals, you are doing yourself, your portfolio, your family a huge disjustice. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time.